Here we go, folks. Back at it. Michael Platt Motors, Anderson, California. We've done it again. 1957 Ford Fairlane Club Victoria, two-door hardtop. Wow, look how sharp this thing is. I'm out here with my buddy Scott, and he's owned this thing quite a long time. Did most of the restoration work back in 2003. It's got a great sound. It's got a great look. Car show ready. Time to go cruising. Load up the kids. Doesn't get much better than this. Got a great look to it. Now Scott takes real good care of his stuff, including his 57. Like I told you, it was restored back in 2003. It was a complete frame-on restoration. New paint, new suspension bushings, new brakes, hoses, wheel cylinders, new upholstery. We got a rebuilt 312 Thunderbird engine, 4-row radiator, and we got new gold side trim, polished stainless steel, and a rebuilt transmission. So the heavy lifting's been done. Now it's time to just get in and go cruising, load up the missus, load up the kids. It's red, it's white, and it is ready to roll. Scott's on the car show scene out here, and he's had a lot of fun, but he's getting up there a little bit. He's thinking about parting ways with his old friend. We're looking for a good home, and that's where Platt Motors comes in. We usually can do this. Check out these armrests. They are not factory correct, but gosh, do they have a great look to them. They came out of another make and model. And it just got a killer look. Let's check the mileage. Mileage says 79,453. No AC. No power steering. But it stops really good because it has front disc brakes. It's got those 15-inch chrome wheels. It's got an electric fuel pump. It's got electronic ignition. It's got a 60-pound engine oil pump. It's got a radio and a CD player. It's been garage kept since the restoration. He was having some carburetor issues, so he bought one off the Summit. Hasn't had a problem since. He drives it under 500 miles a year, and he services it annually. And he just got a new battery last month. So she is absolutely, without a doubt, ready to roll, ready to go cruising. We can take care of shipping. About to send one to Connecticut. We recently sent one to Michigan, sent another one to North Carolina. So just call me up, I'll steer you in the right direction. I may be able to broker the shipment. I don't charge anything for that service, or I will link you up with a reputable broker that will not break the bank. The good thing about 57 Fairlanes is they're different, and they come in quite a bit less than a 57 Chevy. So if you like the old Fords like we do, you should give me a call. My name is Michael Platt. I own Platt Motors, Anderson, California. I buy, sell, trade, and consign classic cars. Check out this sound. Got a great sound to it. Family's been in the automobile business since 1931. We believe in honesty and transparency, and Scott does as well. Let's point out a few blemishes. Scott had a little issue back here. Looks like something got in there and started doing some eating and scratching. He took it to the upholstery shop. They told him $300 to repair. Scott also noticed that back here, the chrome was starting to come up there, and so he found this silver tape. It may be hard to see on the video, and covered it up. It doesn't bother him, but if it bothered you, it can be repaired, but it's not cheap, and it was difficult to find someone in California where we're at who does that kind of work. Let's see what else. I think there was one more thing, but I'm spacing it, of course. I see a little right on the nose here. Looks like, I don't know if it's been touched up or if that's the clear coat coming up, but it's got a little scrape there. She still looks great. She runs great. The color pops. Scott said they did not do red and white back in 57, but he loved the color. He went for it. She's got the Thunderbird underneath the hood. So if you're ready to go cruising, you should give me a call. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California, 707-599-9448. I can text. plattmotors@gmail.com. plattmotors.com is my website. I so appreciate you looking at my videos and riding along with us today. We got a couple more. We're gonna go see a 40 Ford later on today, and a fixed roof coupe Corvette. Luckily, it's nice out today. It may be 80, but there's a nice breeze. And we're here in Redding, California. My place is in Anderson, California, just down the road. And it's Fairlane time. What else did Scott tell me? He said that the trunk deck was not in good shape. He replaced it. And the rockers were not in great shape. They were replaced. The rest of the car was solid. It's not all patched up, and it's ready for some fun. So give me a call anytime, and I look forward to talking to you soon. See ya.